Upgrade your driving experience with Red Tiger's Dashcam, the safe and dependable choice for every journey. Red Tiger's 3-channel recording covers all angles, front, inside, and rear, with high-quality footage. With comprehensive coverage, Red Tiger ensures safety and security when you're on the road. And with 5G Wi-Fi, sharing footage is as simple as one click. Fast, reliable, and convenient. Guarantee every trip is safeguarded and capture beyond with Red Tiger.
How to connect your Red Tiger Dashcam with Wi-Fi. Turn on the Dashcam. Press the M button to enter the menu, Settings. In Settings, select the Wi-Fi option and turn on. For a quicker way, press and hold the up button on the recording screen to toggle Wi-Fi on-off. The Wi-Fi SSID and password will appear on the screen. Open the app on your phone and tap Add Camera. It will go to your phone settings and please open WLAN settings. Find the corresponding SSID and enter the password. Connection successful. Then you can see the real-time recording. Tap the bottom left corner to play back and download videos. Tap Settings to customize your Dashcam.